Today, I'm showing you around the Barut Hotel in Bodrum. As you can see, the reception area is very grand, which leads onto a beautiful balcony overlooking the sea. Wow, look at the modern reception toilets. Now our favorite part, the water park. A splash of fun with 5-star vibes. Look at the drop on the trapdoor water slide. Look out for the POV. We will start off with the trapdoor slide. It was very scary. This is what it looks like on the ride. I was absolutely petrified. And the lifeguard knew it. You will see, he smiled and waved at me as I went down the slide.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Whatever you do not scream. I gulped a load of water. This is a cobra. And we're off. Watch out for the big drop. It's deeper than it looks. We think this side is a bit faster. This is quite a slow slide. This is a black hole. It's very dark in here. You don't know where the next turn is. And that's exactly the thrill. This is the kamikaze. Another great ride. Another black hole. It is different to the other one. It's like a secret passage. Except this one ends in a splash. This is so fun. It's just chucked a load of cold water over my head. You do get a bit stuck in this part, but the water eventually pushes you out. That was we go. This is a mini kamikaze. Watch out for the steep drop on this one. It's very dark, so you cannot see from the video. Please comment below what you think of the water park. This is the community area. Kids in the middle of the family area under the adult area. The hotel has a fully equipped gym. We prefer this area as it has amazing views of the sea. Also, the entertainment takes place in this area. The community area leads onto the water park. I will show you the way. The hotel has a wellness center, which has a steam room, sauna, and indoor pool. There is a Turkish bath, but you have to pay extra for this. This is games room. You can play pool, table tennis, Xbox and PlayStation, mini basketball. Everything is completely free. On the right is the kids club. You can now see the water park in the distance. On the right is the kids club outdoor play area. This is the snack bar at the water park, which mainly does burgers. You can also get some soft drinks. There is a fair that opens about 8:30 each night. It closes around 10:30. There are plenty of sunbeds at the water park. You can also collect pool towels from the hut at any time in the day. The on-site water park is amazing. On the right is a football pitch and basketball pitch. Back in the community area, there are some clothes shops. On the left is Saib's a la carte. You do not need to book this restaurant. It's where you can eat when you arrive late. Back to the community area. You can collect fresh pool towels from the hut any time in the day. Doesn't it look beautiful? They serve drinks on roller skates. This is a pool bar. I will now walk to the adult-only area. On the right is the fish a la carte restaurant. You don't have to book in the day, but you have to book at night. On the left, you will see swim-up rooms. I would say it takes about 10 minutes to walk from the community areas to the adult area. This is the adults area. If you just want a quiet, relaxing holiday, this is probably the best area. Look how well maintained the gardens are. I am now walking towards the adult beach area. Look at the amazing views. I am now walking from the community area to the children's area. On the left, they have villas. This is a kids area. You can see the hotel glistening in the sun. On the right is the kids' beach. This is the Italian a la carte. You do not need to book in the day, but you have to book at night. As this is the big resort, they help buggies to take you around the resort. In the community area is a fish a la carte. You can see it straight ahead. You do not need to book in the day, but you do need to book at night. Just outside the adult area, there is the Mexican a la carte. You do not need to book in the day, but you need to book at night. We absolutely loved this a la carte. This is the main buffet area. Let's see what breakfast is like. Turkish delight for breakfast. Oh, we are in Turkey. On the left are the cereals. This is a live omelet station. You can customize your ingredients. Egg Benedict. There is a selection of yogurts with various different flavors. Look at the pastries. They smell so fresh. They look like they have been flown in from France. There's a section for special dietary requirements. There is a variety of fresh fruit. There is a spread of fine ham paired with imported cheeses. A perfect combination with a warm croissant. This is the evening buffet. Look at the succulent marinated chicken, fresh fish and other meats, accompanied by an array of vegetables. Vegetarians are catered for too. There are meat dishes with a combined mixture of vegetables. Why not have turkey in Turkey? Beautifully prepared sandwiches, salads, and crisp greens offer a refreshing contrast to the depth of the dish. Plain pasta, too, a golden slice of lasagna. These dishes are still steaming, straight from the oven, and impossible to resist. They also have various potato dishes every night. There is pizza every night. There is usually a themed dish which changes every night. There are 2 soups every night. An excellent combination with freshly baked bread. This is a special dietary requirement area. And now the final course. Each creation crafted to tempt the eye and satisfy every sweet craving. The dessert station would not be complete without ice cream. Fresh salad. On the left is a patisserie. They serve delicious chocolates and cakes. They also serve ice cream. This is the Asian a la carte. It only opens in the evening. You must book this restaurant. These are the starters. What we ordered. These are the main courses. They were delicious. This is the dessert. They do amazing freshly made cocktails. Watch as this cocktail comes alive, expertly mixed, and ready to brighten the night. You will see there is lots of choice. Most of the drinks are included in the all-inclusive. This is our family room in the community area. It's so luxurious. Look at all the complimentary amenities in the room. The room has an amazing walk-in wardrobe. There is also a hairdryer, hair straighteners, and an iron in the room. There are coffee-making facilities. There are snacks and drinks in the room. The drinks in the fridge are also topped up on a daily basis. They are all included in the all-inclusive. This is a view from our room. We had a lovely sea view. There were live shows on every night. These are the daily activities. The evening entertainment changes every night. This is a pool at night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please also check out our gaming channel. Thanks for watching.